never had them before, but I might try it. And guys, guess who just showed up? Mrs. Dolly Parton. Hey Dolly, how you doing? I'm just kidding, guys. It's not Dolly. It's a card. It's a wooden thing over. There's ice cream. Here's some merchandise. Yeah, I actually know that thing in there. I might actually buy me something before we go home. Before we leave, I might buy me something. I don't know yet. I'm talking about before we leave. Saturday to go home. Alright guys, well, I'm going to get off here, guys. They're over there, by the way, guys. And I'll probably see you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or tonight. I might see you guys tonight. So, see y'all in the next video.